Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to start something new as we did for our Amazon website. We would be creating something in replica of that only, but we would be working on some another website. This is your customer support center, that is for 3D system support home. So this website is there. So we would be creating this website from scratch. I don't know how this website is built, but yes, for sure what we would be making is enhancing the UI of this website as well, and improving upon some basics for you all, such as when you would be working with your architectures or proposing systems, so how to deal with that and how you would start laying out things so that any modification could be dealt beforehand only, or if there is any major change also, that should not affect our architecture. So this is a baseline for our development. So as you could see here, the left section is a 3D support system documentation library. So what might be there is like for now they are having some records, so we could be creating a LWC component for this. That could be a simpler approach, but what we would be dealing is we would be creating some record at the back end from where adding things would dynamically render it out, so that it does not make so that it makes a good sense of your architecture. And to the right section, what we could see, this is a static image, and we could have a carousel as well for here. So we could also work on that, but we would be dividing things into chunks. So what I could possibly figure out is that we could make use of our standard things that we get from our Salesforce, like customer guides, service guides. So this is the standard menu that I could see. This I think is the global search. I guess this is the standard one. Yeah, this is the standard global search, guys. So if I go here, so it is relating me to an article, and if I just click over this, so yeah, this is my global search where it is displaying my knowledge articles. So they have knowledge base also embedded in this. Moreover, what we could see from here is connect with the right experts for products and services. So I guess these are in here, and 3 to 4 items. So this could be handled by a single component also, or what we could do is we could also enhance it for further level of dynamics by creating a backend record, but we are not sure like how many records it should cater, so we would need to work on that. So there is some shop 3D systems, so all products, materials and consumables. I guess this should be a static component only. You could build this using HTML editor also, that is provided it in the Salesforce. Elsewhere you could have this with your LWC component also. So we'll see both ways what is there, and there are some additional resources for viewing open cases, visiting knowledge base. This could be another site. 3D system service training. Okay, so that is in here, and some taglines for this in here, and there comes the footer, and this is it for the footer. So let's see what it is about. So it's opening something, I guess, yeah. So 3D systems are having the support portal, I guess built over Salesforce, and this is their original website. Okay, so what so basically, just a disclaimer also, that we are creating just for our learning purpose, nothing of that sort. So I would be requiring your feedback as also, like what to create and what to how to work with also, and your points on the architecture that we would be laying out in this video and for the further coming videos also. So okay, so the footer I guess is all for the external links to their community. And okay, we could have some customer guides. So let us see what are these. So in this video basically we are just navigating through our organization, and or let's say this website, and based on that we would be proposing our architecture just for learning purpose, like from a beginner's point of view. So that would be the initial basis for this. Moreover, we would be enhancing this website as per we would be working on our development. So this is our 3D printers page, and okay, so this thing is a little dynamic, that is from the LWC end you can create these types of things. So yeah, when I click on this, what happens? Okay, we are landed on some another page, and the information of that has been rendered. Okay, now let's see something else. So this is our for whole, this is for whole printers. Okay, and this is okay, so this is also there. So I guess they are utilizing the same page, the contents are being modified. Okay, we have to see that how we would be making that. Furthermore, what I could figure out is like this is there, so we could only click over this. So what we could have is like we could have a tiles thing of that sort, so it is easy to view and navigate. Just a thought I was proposing. You guys tell me whether to go with that or not. And okay, so this is your single entire component that is divided into parts for different things. Like if I click on MJP, so the associated things are withdrawn from this. Okay, so that is it. And what we see for our service guides, so I guess these are it for the service guides. So okay, so it's asking me to log in. So let's see how the login page looks like. So okay, that's also the standard login page that's been used here. And internal users use community login Okta SSO. So what they have done is they are using an identity provider, that is Okta in here. Not promising, but yeah, we could also touch upon that concepts for working with the Okta for our login purpose, so we can do that also. Furthermore, what we could do in here is we could also enhance this page as it is not going with all our themes and all. So yeah, we could work on this. Okay, next what it is in here, so this is our software page where it's there. Let's get started. Thank you for choosing 3D systems. So this is a list view kind of thing where they are telling what are the products they are having and the most popular downloads, what it is in the downloads. Okay, so this is our articles page from where we can download the data, and this is the related articles. So knowledge base has to be set up with data categories and everything. So whole and all, this is a combination of service cloud, experience cloud, as plus your Apex, LWC, more of the stuff in here. Let's check out more things for materials. Okay, let's see with the compliance. Okay, so this is the compliance, and okay, so this is it. So the community looks pretty neat. We would be modifying this some little, and let's search for the global search page, like how they are working over this. Okay, so they are adding some borders and all for the articles also. And yeah, there is this, and this is the standard search button that I could figure out. And that is it, guys. So this would be your website that we would be building. So we would be requiring your inputs in this, and we would be laying out the entire structure, including the theme, layout and all. So we would be overriding everything from scratch. So we would be meeting in the next video, guys. Till then, if you have any suggestions for this video or any suggestions for the data that we discussed regarding the LWC part, the backend approach, or anything of that sort that you wish like that could be heightened up or that could be modified in some other way that is beneficial, so yeah, you can comment down below. I would be happy to take up your suggestions as well. So we would be making this out as a collaborative effort. So thanks all, and we would be meeting in the next video, guys.